super excited because I finally become a pilot. I feel super excited because this shop provides the airplane experience for everyone. So all of you can become a pilot. Let's have a look. And let's go. There has a lot of uniform, and have this uniform you can become a pilot anytime. Let's go to briefing room to learn how to become a pilot. Let's go. I feel like I'm in the airplane.
Hello, welcome to Flight Experience.
They have the over 100 control panel in the airplane captain room, so I think it will be difficult for me.
Are you sure that you're not going to crash the plane?
I hope there's no one on my plane. Let's go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and cabin crew. Welcome aboard Elieoops airplane, Boeing 737. Today's weather is very nice, and you can see nothing on the on the sky. Oh, hope you enjoying the flight. So let's see the captain room. So complicated. Adjust the seat. Yes. How? Oh. I feel so nervous. I feel everything will be okay. No crash. Let's go. Welcome aboard Elieoops airplane.
Ultimate is released, okay, and we start to increase power a little bit to 40%.
Oh, it's moving ah?
Yes. Okay, now we will take off.
Oh, in the beginning about 40%.
Yes, the speed of the craft is increasing.
Yes. Oh!
Okay, and then we leave neutral. Yes, we will. Okay, hold up position. Okay.
I cannot see anything. Oh, I have to go now. A little bit. Back. I feel I'm going to crash the sea. We have to turn that side a little bit. Ooh. So now go straight. I crash this. Attention. What? Attention. Attention. Now we are going to Hong Kong airport. The weather is good, everything is good. Enjoying the flight. I'm Captain Elie. decrease. Keep decrease when you reduce the height. Because I need to turn right and landing in the same time because my landing area is in the middle of the sea. You guys see that? Super nervous. Should we put now? Landing in the Hong Kong airport, so everyone's safe. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and cabin crew. Now we are landing on the airport Hong Kong. Everyone's safe. And if you guys enjoying this video, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any comment, please leave your comment in the comment section below. See you in next video. Bye bye. Want to enjoy this flight simulator, just come to Thailand, Ekamai Gateway in the flight experience. It's so difficult. In the flight experiments, and you will get this special experiment. Actually, I was really scary that my airplane will crash into the sea, but luckily I didn't do it and I did a very good experiment here.